What are you looking at, huh? What are you looking at? Why you're watching my video? You're just watching the video because I'm going to do a unboxing and a first look on the Nintendo Switch Ladder Deluxe Travel Case. Then you are on the right video. Switch it up, jump to the unboxing table. So finally here it is, the Legend of the Zelda Breath of the Wild leather brown case. So now let me open it. Okay, here we go. As you can see from the back, Game Travel Deluxe Travel Case. Indeed, yes, this is a Game Travel Deluxe Travel Case. Okay, and now let me open this one. Okay, here we go. And then I need a scissor to cut this one off, isn't it? I think so. Okay, here we go. Now let me, the smell is quite good. This is one of my favorite case. I can easily say the build quality is built like a tank. Yeah, it's built like a tank. Wow, this case won my heart. Literally, this case won my heart. Look at it. It comes with two game case. Wow. Here you can put the Joy-Con grip. Wow. I'm literally happy. And what is this? Maybe this is for the micro SD card. Yeah. Even it comes with the micro SD card. Wow. Here you can store the pouch, but where you are going to store the Nintendo Switch here? Okay, yeah, like this you can store the Nintendo Switch close on. Or what about like this? It's not like this. I am literally very much happy. The zipper is quite good. Literally I am very much happy. I'm very much happy. I could not tell you my excitement, how much I'm feeling happy with this case. Wow, this case won my heart. This is a amazing case and this is a must buy. Literally this is a must buy. So it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.